So this is my bench, and I want to set up a camera that I can put on top so that I can have some setup here for my Arduino stuff, things like that. So yeah, I need to look for some scrap parts so that I don't need to spend any money. And I found this aluminum tube. So I actually used this on a drone project. So this is just an excess. So I think I can use that. And then I have this styro from a appliance. I don't know what. I think it's a tool. I think it's from a. I forgot. I think it's a feeler for a scroll saw tool that I recently bought. It's secondhand, that's why it's a bit dirty. But my plan here is to cut this styro to make it as the something like a stand on both sides here and here on the right, so that these two aluminum tubes can be above like that, where I can place my phone on top of it, and then I can start to record video. So if it's standing here like that, then I can put my phone in between these two, right? So you imagine that I can put it in between, and I can move it up, move it down. So I think that's a good setup. So yeah, then to cut the styro, I have a styro cutter here. So here's the power supply of that, and then this is the cutter. So if you look at this is just it's like a soldering iron, it's like a pen. Yeah, so you will connect the power here, and then this will heat up. Then I can start to slice the styro. So yeah, that's my next task, so that I can build the stand on both left and right side. So this is the styro, and this is my tool. It's actually started to heat up. So if you look at this, I will now start to slice it. Oops, I think I will slice it from here. See that? It's like a piece of cake, right? Okay, so yeah, so nice. I can go from that up to the other end. Yeah, so I'm already slicing it like that. So we'll continue slicing it down. So I already cut it out, guys. You see, yeah, it's nice, right? What we'll do next here is I will try to do this as a stand. So I have to cut this into two. Then I can now put the poles there, the aluminum tube. Okay. So I have now my two parts here. This one and then this one. So what I will do now is try to put the tubes, the aluminum tubes here, like that, the two tubes, so that I can now mount it here on top. So let's see how it will work. So here's the tube now. I will just punch this through here. I will not do some kind of measurements, but just some approximations, guys. It kind of worked, but oh, it's not circular. I'm thinking I need to use the styro cutter tool again so that I can make a perfect circle, but let's see. I will try to put the other tube. So I managed to put the other one, but yeah, let's see if this will work. As you see now, it seems to be what I've imagined. So I have now the two rails here, but this one's still floating, so I need to get this stand so I can I can move my hand away from this. Okay, let's do that. So this is the other tube that I'm trying to. Whoa, persist already. So that's good. So last one on this side. So I managed to pierce again the last one, the last piece. So I actually built it already. So this is how it look. This is how it looks now. And it seems to work. You see that? Ha! According to plan. And then my phone will be here. Then here's my hand. See? I could pull some stuff here like this, and then let's see if it will zoom perfectly. Whoa, so nice. But it's a bit, you know, it's a bit digitized or something, but maybe I can put another layer from the side, but I'm quite satisfied with this. Yeah, seems good. Right. Let's put another one. Okay. But yeah, the area is good. Oh, I have a new idea. Maybe I'll just build a platform here, like a, you know, like a like a tool that will make it closer so that I will not move this part so that my camera will be fixed. Something like this box. So if I put a box there, that will add additional height. I can put it here, and then if I put my camera here, it will be much closer. Oops. Yeah, maybe it can work, but let's see what could be my next move on this. But I'm quite satisfied with the result. If you find this interesting, guys, can you please hit the like and subscribe button, and let's do more of these interesting videos.